Hey everyone, Dean here. Today we're embarking on an awesome journey to the Philippines. This archipelago is more than just beautiful beaches and stunning landscapes. It's brimming with unique culture, rich history, and fascinating facts. Get ready for 33 captivating facts about the Philippines. We'll explore its wildlife, festivals, hidden gems, and more. So, buckle up, hit subscribe, and let's explore the Philippines together. The Philippines boasts over 7,000 islands, each with unique charm. From volcanic landscapes to pristine beaches, the diversity is remarkable. Home to thousands of unique plant and animal species, the Philippines is a biodiversity hotspot. Look out for the majestic Philippine eagle, a true symbol of the country's natural wonders. Centuries of history have woven a rich cultural tapestry in the Philippines. From indigenous traditions to Spanish colonial heritage, the country is a melting pot of customs. Filipinos know how to celebrate. Festivals like Sinulog and Ati-Atihan fill the streets with music, dance, and colorful costumes. The Philippines is renowned for its breathtaking beaches. Places like El Nido and Boracay offer unforgettable experiences. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds with Filipino cuisine. From adobo to sinigang, each dish tells a story. Did you know the Philippines is the largest coconut producer? This versatile fruit is vital in Filipino life. Spanish colonization left an enduring mark on the Philippines. From architecture to language, the history is intertwined with Spain's influence. Meet the tarsier, the world's smallest primate in the lush forests of the Philippines. Its huge eyes and agility are mesmerizing. Music and dance are integral to Filipino culture. From the kulintang's melodies to tinikling's lively steps, the country pulses with expression. Filipinos are renowned for their warm hospitality and smiles. Prepare to be greeted with genuine kindness throughout your journey. The Philippines boasts a rich tradition of arts and crafts. Each region showcases its unique artistic heritage. Divers and snorkelers rejoice. The Philippines is a paradise for underwater exploration. Discover vibrant reefs, diverse marine life, and world-class diving. Delve into the rich literary tradition of the Philippines. From Jose Rizal to contemporary authors, Filipino literature captivates with stories and insights. The Philippines boasts UNESCO World Heritage Sites like the Banao Rice Terraces and historic city of Vigan, showcasing cultural treasures. The Philippines is a melting pot of languages. Filipino is the national language, but over 180 languages are spoken. Discover Eskrima, a traditional Filipino martial art emphasizing weapon-based combat. Its intricate movements and rich history captivate. Hop aboard a jeepney, the iconic public transportation of the Philippines. These colorful vehicles symbolize Filipino ingenuity and resilience. Experience the grace and beauty of Filipino folk, dances like tinikling and singkil. These dances tell stories of love and history. Marvel at the Banao Rice Terraces, often called the eighth wonder of the world. Carved into mountain slopes over 2,000 years ago, they are a testament to human ingenuity and agricultural prowess. Explore the vibrant world of Filipino cinema. From indie films to blockbusters, Filipino filmmakers are making their mark internationally. Discover the intricate art of Filipino weaving. From colorful textiles to garments, each piece tells a story of heritage and craftsmanship. Gather around and listen to the captivating stories and legends of Filipino folklore. From mythical creatures to tales of heroism, these stories reveal the rich cultural heritage of the Philippines. The Philippines is home to a diverse range of wildlife, including the Philippine eagle and the tarsier and the Calamian deer. Keep your eyes peeled for these incredible creatures in their natural habitats. Prepare to be awestruck by the waterfalls of the Philippines. From the towering heights of Maria Cristina Falls to the serene beauty of Pagsanjan Falls, these natural wonders are a sight to behold. Explore the diverse range of traditional clothing in the Philippines. From the elegant Barong Tagalog to the colorful woven textiles of Cordillera, each garment reflects the country's rich cultural heritage. Discover the rich tradition of boat building in the Philippines. From bangka boats to para sailboats, craftsmanship shines. So, there you have it, 33 fascinating facts about the Philippines that only scratch the surface of this incredible country. From its stunning natural beauty and diverse wildlife to its rich culture and warm hospitality, the Philippines has something to offer everyone. I hope this video has inspired you to add the Philippines to your travel bucket list. It's a country that will capture your heart and leave you with unforgettable memories. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more travel adventures, and share this with your friends. Until next time.